Welcome, wonderful Math 125 students. My name is Rod Price, and I will be your instructor for this semester. And I'm going to take making this video here to just talk about the Moodle site and just kind of give you some ideas of how to navigate this course. So let me go through this. When you first open the Moodle page, you should see a screen somewhat like this. Now I'll be adding more things as time goes on, so it might not look exactly like this, but ballpark, this should be what you see. Let me go through these kind of one at a time here and chat about them. This thing called announcements, I probably won't put anything there. If I have something that's important, I will just email the entire class. This thing right here, this is a PDF on how to download Microsoft Teams. This is a wonderful program, and what it will do is it will allow us to do face-to-face interactions over the internet. So I strongly encourage you to download that. If you're a KCC student, you'll have permission to download that. Just follow the directions on that PDF. And again, I strongly encourage you to do this because this is what we're going to do for office hours most of the time. Okay, this next one, Math 125 videos by the wonderful Anna Cox. So Anna Cox is our lead Math 125 instructor, and she's got a complete video library for our current textbook. Every section, you just click on that link. I'm not going to do that now, but when you click on that, you'll see exactly where those are. And we're going to be using these videos here primarily for this class. Anna has a much more complete video library than I do. Now, I do have videos that I've made for the class. Those are down here under Unit 1 videos. However, when you get assigned a section, like if you look right here, your first assignment's already there where it says watch the videos on section 1.1 and 1.2. What I want you to do is go to Anna's videos, watch the videos under section 1.1, and take notes on them. Copy them down as examples, stop them in the middle, whatever you have to make sure you got them copied down, because those are going to take the place of the lecture part of the class. So treat those just like examples given out in class, or that are went over in class. If you want more examples, you can always go to my video library. Let me open this up, Unit 1 videos here. So you just click on this, and you'll notice here are some of mine. Now you notice I don't even have 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3 up yet. I'll probably be adding some of those as time permits here this week, but I've got videos starting in section 1.4 about complex numbers and whatnot, and section 1.5 and probably some more there, 1.6, and I've got a lot of videos for each section, but my list right now is not as complete as Anna Cox's. So I would refer to Anna's videos. That's going to be our primary method for content delivery, is Anna's videos. I'll be making more as the semester goes on, and I'll be happy to make more at request. All you got to do is shoot me an email and tell me you want videos made either by problem number or by topic. Okay, meet the instructor. There's a little bit about me. I'll let you click on that. There's your syllabus. I'll let you read it. Online tutoring is something that KCC has set up. I don't know about students if they're having success using that or not. I would invite you to give it a try. If you like it, report back. But for the most part, I'm going to set this up so that you can support one another and I can support you as needed. Here's my schedule here. So when you click on this, and I've already got a copy open because it takes a little while here, it's going to look something like so. And I got a lot going on this semester, as you can imagine. With our COVID situation, things are pretty hectic here for me. But there we go. So let me talk about how to use this. So this is just basically my day graphed out. So for example, on Monday, see where this says office hours, SO2A. That means that Monday morning at 10 o'clock, I'll be in my office during this entire time frame. Now, if you're on campus, you want to talk to me, that's great. I suspect there won't be a lot of that this semester because of the ongoing health crisis, but email, I should respond virtually instantly. And this is where Microsoft Teams will be wonderful here. If you shoot me an email and say, let's meet over Teams, I can open it up and we can set something up and do a lot of face-to-face work there. Also, by the way, Teams will be great if you want to work with each other. You folks will be able to do that over distance. That like this section means I'm in class, you won't be able to get a hold of me. Now you'll notice here that I've got things like this big block of time here. Now I've basically reserved this for things like, I got to do content development and writing tests and making videos for you folks. So it's okay to shoot me an email here, and if I'm able to contact you or to talk with you, I will. But as a rule of thumb, I'll be reserving some of these time blocks here for other things. So try to start in the office hour time frame. But again, that's not to say, you can't send me an email anytime. It's just that I may or may not have time to talk with you individually here during these time frames. So start with these as far as, guaranteed, you'll get a response here, or virtually guaranteed. But I can't respond during class time, and these other blocks of time I'll probably be doing other things. Happy to respond to emails, but I may not be able to meet with you over Teams during these blocks. And you'll see I've got time blocks throughout the entire week here. These office hours, by the way, I'll be in the Hastings site. For those of you that are in that class, you can find me there. So, and you'll notice it says other hours by appointment. You really need to contact me. You want to meet me over Teams, but these office hours don't work. Just shoot me an email and we'll find a time that works for both of us. What was the other thing here I was going to pull up? Oh, the course schedule. Yeah, let's talk about that. So here's how the course is divided up. I've got it divided up into 5 units. So as you can see here, here's the information right here about Unit 1. The class is going to start on 29 or something like that. 31. The class is going to start on August 31st. The Moodle site will open and we're going to get at things. Now, section, I'm setting this up to be somewhat flexible. I do things kind of on a weekly basis. So basically here, due on 9/4, which will be a Friday, is going to be your homework for sections 1.1 and 1.2. You're going to find those on the My Math lab site. In addition to this, a quiz will open for you, honestly, on sections 1.1 and 1.2 on 9/4. I usually give you 2, sometimes 3 days. You can guarantee at least 2 days to get those quizzes done. And those are going to be done on the on My Math Lab. Okay, so at the end of week 1, which will be Friday 9/4, these sections of homework will be due. And if they're not due, they're going to shut down. They're not going to let you work on them beyond that. And that Friday afternoon, a quiz is going to open up over sections 1.1 and 1.2, and I think I traditionally give till Sunday night to do those quizzes. Okay, then the following week, starting probably Monday, you're going to watch the videos on 1.3 and 1.4. The homework for those is due on 9/11. That should be a Friday, and a quiz will open up. Then the following week, starting on Monday, you're going to be responsible for the video content in 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. Homework will be due on 9/18, and a quiz will open up over those sections. In addition to that, your exam will open up. Your first unit exam is going to be done on 9/18. Now, as of right now, I'm planning on just giving you the exams on the My Math Lab site, and you will take them wherever you want. With the current health crisis going on, I just can't find really good ways to do that. That's what I'm planning for now. However, I'm going to reserve the right to change that at any point in the semester if I'm not happy with what I see or how things are going. Okay. Unit number 2, you can probably follow along with that, and you probably hopefully have the idea by now. So, as you can see here, here's your Unit 1. You'll have access to this Monday. Unit 1 is called Equations and Inequalities. Here's my video list, but again, don't forget most of the videos are on Anna Cox's website. All right, you're going to be doing the homework at mymathlab.com. I've built a course for you there, and the course ID is here, price 95111. First thing you need to do is go get signed up for that. All right, and you can see your first assignment here, section 1.1 and 1.2. Start working on the homework, post questions in the forum. So if you have questions, please post them in the forum here. And I'll keep an eye on this forum as often as I can, and as I see the questions, I'll respond to them. If you're a student and you see a question and you think you know the answer, please respond here. This is going to be a place for us to interact here, and I encourage all of you to chime in where appropriate. So that's kind of the course in a nutshell here. You can't see this yet, but about the time we're finishing up Unit 1, Unit 2 will open up. It will look about the same and so forth, and this will happen to the end of the semester. So that should get you a pretty good idea, get you rolling with the course. Hope that this has helped, and I'm looking forward to working with all of you. Have a great day.